Hello, curious explorers in the Park of Knowledge. The heart of a computer, which is the power supply, gives energy to all its parts. But what if I told you that not all hearts are the same? There is a special kind of power supply that lets you connect only the cables you really need, just like a perfectly chosen set of tools. I invited everyone to discover the advantages of a modular power supply. Under the big tree, I met the guinea pig and the frog. The guinea pig claimed that this is a power supply that decides by itself how much electricity to give to each part. She said that if the computer thinks it plays too much, the modular power supply will cut off power to the graphics card to make it rest. The frog, on the other hand, believed that this is a power supply you can build up like a tower of blocks. She was sure that when the computer needs more power, you just buy another small power supply and stack it on top, making the tower higher and higher. I explained to them that a modular power supply does not make decisions and is not a tower of blocks. Its uniqueness is that you can unplug and plug in cables, which gives a lot of freedom in organizing the inside of a computer. By the fountain, I met the cat and the ladybug. The cat told me that in his old computer, a huge tangle of cables stuck out from the power supply, and he did not even use them. These cables blocked the air and collected dust. When he replaced the power supply with a modular one, he connected only the 3 cables he needed and put the rest in a box. Thanks to this, his computer became tidy and cooler. The ladybug added that she was building a very small computer in a compact case. She said that a regular power supply with a bunch of cables just would not fit there. So she used a modular power supply and connected only the shortest necessary cables, making everything fit perfectly. I agreed with them that these are great examples showing how a modular power supply helps keep things tidy, improves cooling, and makes building a computer easier. On the bridge over the stream, I met the bee and the parrot. I decided to check their knowledge and asked what they knew about modular power supplies. The bee explained that a modular power supply is one that has removable cables. This means the user can choose which cables to connect, depending on which parts are used in the computer. The parrot added that, unlike non-modular power supplies, where all cables are permanently attached, here the unused cables do not take up unnecessary space inside the case. I praised them for their knowledge, summing up that the main advantage of modular power supplies is flexibility and the ability to perfectly match the cables to the needs of the computer. Dear researchers, today we learned what a modular power supply is. We understood that thanks to removable cables, it helps keep the inside of a computer perfectly tidy. This means better airflow and lower temperatures. It is a clever solution for those who value order and efficiency. Remember, a well-organized computer is a happy computer. See you for more discoveries in the Park of Knowledge.